Hi, this is Dennis Haskins, Mr. Belding from Saved by the Bell, and you're watching The Bob Show. Hey, 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 what is going on here?
Hey folks, Bob McCarthy here of The Bob Show, and I'm here with the legendary actor and performer, the one and only Dennis Haskins. You know him from Mr. Belding from Saved by the Bell. His career in television and movies.
My train is going by. We'll just let him go. I'll get him next time around.
Your career in television and movies has spanned over 30 years. All movies, television shows. Let me first get into Saved by the Bell and ask you, what was that experience like being Mr. Belding?
It was great. You know, when we started out, we're just glad to have a job. And the next thing you know, I went to 87 countries around the world from Saturday morning. And I get to come to ballparks like this and do things like this, which is a pretty amazing thing.
Do you still get to run into your classmates or co-stars once in a while?
I stay in touch with Mario, and I saw Mark Paul in New York last year. He was doing I know that's a bad word around here. You can't say the NY word around here. But, yeah, he was doing a play in the city, and I saw him. But I love coming to Boston. I come to Boston all the time, and this is my first time in Lowell, so I'm glad to be here. I got to do something really cool in the summer. I was celebrity host for a rock and roll tour of Navy bases in the Far East, in 3 cities in Japan, and then Okinawa, Guam, and Diego Garcia. So all of that because I was on a show called Saved by the Bell. It's pretty cool.
Wow, that's incredible. Now, you're a little bit old enough. You could date Kelly Kapowski now, right? Now, she's a little bit older now, right? She's out of school. Everybody's graduated, right? Tiffany, Amber, what do you think?
Married and got a kid. I think she's all set.
You've been in so many television shows. Dukes of Hazzard, one you just did recently this past year. I think it was 2010. It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. You had a guest appearance on there. How was that experience like?
That was great. You know, I actually did the very first episode of It's Always Sunny, and nobody knew what it was like. I thought it was a drama, and then I get in and find it's a comedy because it was they walked the line, those guys. You know, it's pretty funny stuff. But they've got a miniature General Lee here. So I did the very first episode of the very first Dukes of Hazzard with Daisy Duke, with Kathy Bach, and I just came from Aspen about 3 weeks ago doing a movie with Catherine Bach, which is pretty amazing 32 years later.
She's probably still hot as she was with the Daisy Dukes, right?
She's looking pretty darn good, I got to tell you.
That is fantastic. And then you did a voice for Robot Chicken when they did a Saved by the Bell parody. How was that?
That was fun. You know, Seth Green is the creator of Robot Chicken, and he did Saw by the Bell, a version of Saw where everybody just remembers Screech, and that's before he wrote the tell-all book. Nobody knew that was coming out, so it's kind of ironic that we did Saw by the Bell. But I got in the studio to do my part, and there was Mark Paul doing Zach, and I hadn't heard him do Zach in a long, long time. And I don't know if you saw, but Jimmy Fallon tried to reunite the cast, and Mark Paul went on as Zach Morris, which was pretty darn amazing.
Yeah, that was incredible when he had the hair and the clothes and everything and came up.
And the Zach phone when he called Jesse to be part of the reunion. We got everybody but Tiffany, but what are you going to do?
Can you give us what is going on here?
It's, hey, what is going on here? And this, never mind.
I tell you, there's 2 shows that I know every words to, and that is Saved by the Bell and Seinfeld. Saved by the Bell is played for 2 hours for the last 15, 20 years here in Lowell, in New England, for 2 hours every morning on WTBS. Saved by the Bell is aired from the time I was in high school to right now. I'm talking, so it's been going on for at least 15, 20 years every morning.
And do you know they're taking it off the air September 26th?
No, I did not know that.
They are taking everybody that I know that watches the show watches it on TBS every day, and for some reason they've decided to change programming, and there's a whole Twitter campaign to keep it on. I think they're going to move it to Sunday or something like that. But for all of you that have been watching the show in the morning, I'm sorry that I guess they're taking write TBS and call them and tell them not to do it.
It's so timeless because every generation gets to watch it, and new kids, it's timeless. Yeah. There's no time on it. Every new generation come and watch it and see the adventures of Zach and the gang and Mr. Belding and everything. And what about Rod Belding? Huh? He was a horrible brother, huh?
You know, I just did a thing with him. We did a Saved by the Belding thing. These guys out of Texas came and reunited.
I've seen that video. I've seen it.
Yeah, we did another version of it.
And you took them out for dinner?
Yeah, and well, yeah, he was going to take these kids out for dinner, and Mr. Belding comes in and saves the day again. Just like when that's actually my favorite episode of all the Saved by the Bells is when Rod comes to and he stands the kids up. Mr. Belding fires his own brother because he's still going to do what's right for the kids no matter who it is. So. It was, pretty amazing that the Rod Belding episode.
Absolutely, absolutely. I know all the episodes. Absolutely.
All right, so what was Screech's dog's name?
Ooh, that's a hard one. That was a hard one.
Mom liked Elvis.
It was Mom like Elvis. He had the robot. I remember the episode where they broke the vase.
Nothing but
a hound dog. It was a hound dog. That's right. And they broke it. And the mother was on vacation. And they had the nerd with the dog. And they were pawning off the dog in the poker game.
You know it all.
I know it all, brother. I'm a Dennis Haskins expert. They said we need to bring in the best today.
Yeah, the best must be here because you know it all.
Absolutely. What were some of the great actors you loved working with through your 30-year career?
I've gotten to work with a lot of people, but I never can think of this man's name, but he's Albert Finney. Albert Finney was a wonderful thing. And working on Magnum P.I., Tom Selleck made sure everybody was really taken care of. I did one of the last Archie Bunker's places with Carol O'Connor, which was pretty amazing. So I just did a Men of a Certain Age. The first year of it, I did 2 out of 9 of the episodes with Scott Bakula. That was a really nice thing. So, just listen, everybody you work with. I worked with John Astin. I'm Dickens, he's Finster, and also the Addams Family back in theater a long time ago. I've been very blessed to work with a lot of really talented people.
And we're very blessed to have you here today. We want to thank you so much, Dennis. It is an honor. Ladies and gentlemen, the one and only, the legendary Dennis Haskins.